Using the left or right arrows, search for Maintenance. Press OK. Using the left or right arrows, search for Ink Cartridge Replacement. Press OK. Press Start. The cartridges will move to the replacement position. Open the cover of the printer. Change the cartridge or the cartridges you need. To remove the cartridge, you have to press this tab. Then take the old cartridge out. Remove the new cartridge from the package. Remove the yellow tape from the side of the cartridge. Do not remove this seal or any other labels. Reinstall the new cartridge. Close the cover, lift the cover a little up, then let it go down. Press Start. It will charge the ink. It takes around a minute. If you use compatible cartridges, you could have this message. Epson has the obsession of the compatible cartridges. Press OK. Select Yes. OK. Press Home. The work is done.